All right, let's just do a quick review of Save Club. Okay, let's just go over what is probably your best option to promote Save Club, not only to get people just to look at it to save money on things they're already buying, but to sign up with three $20 bills. All right, get people to go, dang it, I want to be an affiliate. I want to earn money. 60 bucks, full-blown website, capture page. I'm in business. All right, so let's go on a little journey, okay? Let me snap my fingers and I'm going to turn into a little guy. All right, I'll be right up here, okay? All right, this is what I do. I promote both these links. Now, the top left link, I Love Save Club, this is how I invite people to watch a short movie about Save Club. It's our CEO, our founder. His name is Charles Moy, and he does a great job. In 6 minutes, he goes over the plan, how to save money and how to earn money as an affiliate, where we're going, what we're doing. I've signed up a lot of people by inviting people to ilovesaveclub.com, which is this exact page right here. People watch this YouTube video, and that's it, 6 minutes. Fill out this form right here. You'll get more information every day if you want. All right, you get one nice email on behalf of Save Club. So if you're going to be an affiliate, realize they will email each person one nice email a day. And with our brand new AI technology, guess what? If you put in your real email and your real telephone number, the AI will text you. They will even call you if you'd like. And you can talk to AI about this opportunity. Okay. And what's scary is AI knows more about this darn company than me, and I've been doing this for 30 days. So if you're an affiliate and you're kind of shy and you're like, oh man, I don't want to email people back or talk to people. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have any money coming in. I'm a newbie. Don't worry. AI will take over for you. And relax. Most people don't mind joining an opportunity that saves them money on things they're already buying from someone that's a newbie. They'll appreciate you. They'll high-five you and say, thank you for showing me this darn thing. It's worldwide. It's going to be Canada, Mexico, all the way to the UK, Australia, even African areas, and of course, the mighty Asian territories. All right, this is kind of a online Groupon. All right, let's get our Groupon. Let's get our funk on. Come on, baby. Groupon, online, worldwide. Millions of deals are going to be inside this Save Club. And an affiliate side. That's the kicker. You're going to earn money worldwide, and I need you to join now because we have 8 more days before Ready, Set, Go. Our pre-launch will be over. You'll have 7 to 8 days of head startedness. All right, is that a word? Head startedness. Don't you want to have a head start? I do. I joined a month ago, and I've got hundreds of people just having a great time in my group. I belong to a massive team. So if you join, you are joining one nice group of people. We have 2 invite-only Facebook pages where you can go in and get pictures. We're going to do videos for you where you can just upload them to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. They're already done. They're done for you. So you don't have to get a webcam and chat with a bunch of yeller like I got on. I could pee my pants right now. No one could even notice. All right, so don't worry about that old video thing yet. We'll get you. You can ease on into that, okay? Ease on down the road. So, how do I promote? Well, I make things simple. ilovesaveclub.com. I get business cards from Vistaprint. Those are 22 bucks you see on my screen right there. I just give them out to people on a street level if it comes up. I never talk about Save Club. I invite them to ilovesaveclub.com. I bought that at GoDaddy for 12 bucks, and it forwards to this page that you're going to have as well. And at the top, you can put your own name. I put Cory Draper's website. I like people to know who I am. Hey, Cory, what's going on? What's your email address? Cory@corydraper.com. Do you have a main hub? Yeah, corydraper.com. How do I get this Save Club thing? Well, do you like it? Kind of like it, or are you going to love it? Well, if you love it, then welcome aboard, because I want you to love Save Club. So ilovesaveclub.com. I say that a lot, so I bought the name. Okay. And then I say people join people all the time too. So I bought that. All right. If you talk a lot and say things a certain way, maybe it's available on GoDaddy. It's only 12 bucks and 17 pennies. But ilovesaveclub.com. I invite people to this page. I make things fun and simple. And if you contact me on Facebook, awesome. If you get a hold of me via email, I don't mind. I have these little templates that I email you back with what I do every day, what I suggest. Everything's basically almost free after you join. But I'll tell you, there's going to be a point where you might get stuck. Now, this is important because I have a feeling 9 out of 10 people that sign up with me are going to get stuck on just, what do I post today? I'm tired. I got that not so fresh feeling. I just don't feel like posting today. I'm blue. I'm sad. My favorite TV series is over for the year. Cobra Kai just ended. 1923. All my favorite series on Paramount Plus are over. Landman, Tulsa King. I'm blue. I'm not posting today. Well, guess what? We have pictures, banners, done for you video. And guess what? I want a funnel system to kick ass for you too. Not only do I want you to love Save Club up to the top there, ilovesaveclub.com. Look into the funnel system. Okay, $25, saveclubfunnels.com. You're going to have a different capture page. And it's up to you. You can even change how this is worded. But you put your email address in there, show me the video. You go ahead and click that yellow button, and guess what? This video here for 20 minutes explains Save Club in massive detail, including the compensation plan. The compensation plan. And it shows going to a restaurant. It's showing you how the screen works. Get the deal up. Show the cashier or however you pay. Go ahead and scan it. Just show your cell phone. Or you could even print it out. If you're at home, like I'm at my radio station right now, I can go ahead and just print out the coupon that Save Club provides me to go to Discount Tire. Because I have to buy 6 tires at Discount Tire. I just bought 4 for my Hummer. Well, I've got a Chevy Crew Cab Dually. Guess what? It needs 6 tires. And they're massive. They're 225, 75, 16s. And I want raised white letters because I want it to look sporty. Guess what? It's expensive. It's going to be about $1,200 for 6 tires. But through Save Club, I'm going to shave off a few $100. How nice is that? I got to buy the tires anyway because the tires that are on my truck now, they're average. And it's not that they're worn out. They're just kind of brittle because it's been sitting a lot. And over the last couple of years, the sides of the tires are kind of brittle. So I go down to my buddies at Discount Tire and I just show them my Save Club situation. And they're like, I want to get in on that thing. How do I join? Well, it's up to you. But this funnel system, it's awesome. It explains Save Club really well. And after you watch this video, okay, if you haven't joined Save Club yet, great, go ahead and join. Or get this website, The Funnel. And you can fully change any of the font and the name right here, Save Club. Or if you don't like the way $25 is, you can put 25.00. You can mess around with it, but I recommend just leave it. And when you watch this video, it'll show you how to set it up with my buddy Mike. Set up the funnel and you're done. You're going to have your own link to your own funnel that saves people money on things they're already buying and shows people exactly what Save Club is in massive detail. I hate to say the word, it over-explains it, but it does. Massive detail. This funnel, it's going to solve a lot of your issues when you just have brain fog. Why? Because we have images for social media. We have videos already made. They're neutral. What I mean by that is you upload the video and it promotes Save Club, but it's up to you to put your proper link to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. In my case, every video I do, every post I do, every email or inbox to Facebook, if people contact me, I give them both links. I want people to see how simple it is with the 6-minute video, but I also want them to see a funnel system. Because with the 6-minute video, most people get a hold of me and say, hey, what's the comp plan? Or, okay, when people sign up, do I get 20 or $32? And how does that match and bonus work? Well, that's where I take them to the saveclubfunnels.com. Because for free, you don't have to join the funnel system to get the funnel video. The video is there to help you make a decision. Do you want to join Save Club just to save money, or do you want to be an affiliate and rock and roll? I've made about $1,000 a week already. I'm on week number 4. I've signed up hundreds of people, and so far so good. Look at the success. Even this morning, look, it looks like I have somebody already pre-enrolled. What's today, Friday? So 1, 2, 6, wait, 6, 7. I've had 8 people sign up just in the last couple days. And it's my funnel system. Even my Live Good opportunity, I have a funnel. I signed up 5 people in Live Good just in the last 4 or 5 days. And I couldn't be more happy because it does most of the work for me. All I do is invite you fine folks to click something, to watch something, and then I have coffee and maybe sometimes oatmeal with blueberries in it and a little bit of sugar, which messes up the whole value of nutrition. Okay. Well, I think you guys know that I'm a big fan of the funnel. And on top of that, you get $20 per person that signs up every single month. Right now, my recurring income with Save Funnels is about $700-800, and I've only been doing the funnel system for a week. So about 7 days ago, I brought the funnel system in. I'm signing people up left and right. And when people get the funnel system, I make $20. So thank you. If you sign up for the funnel system, I make $20. And every single month that everyone has a funnel system, I get $20 per person. And right now I got 10, 20, 30, 40 people already signed up times $20 bills. So next month, it's nice to know I have like 60 people. Then I'll probably have 70, 80, 90. I know I'm going to have hundreds of people eventually having a funnel system. It's going to help them, help you get signups and make money. And I make money too. So if you can help me make money, I'm going to do everything I can to help you do it. That's the best part. I'm pretty good at this. If you join my team, I want you to be in both my Facebook group pages. They're awesome. They are great. You're going to get all the video, all of the pictures. We're going to definitely help you out, especially if you have zero experience or you're just shy. If you don't want to do video, don't worry about it. We got videos already made for you. And you'll learn along the way. Maybe you'll have a different personality in a month or two. I think it's therapeutic. After a while, if you do video like this where you just kind of talk and you meet people worldwide, it's kind of fun. I can't wait to get emails on a personal level every day. It just makes me feel good that I'm meeting more people every week as I almost turn 60 years old. It's crazy. Mostly you lose friends because we're all old. Now I'm gaining friends in Fiji. I have friends all over the world right now because of Live Good and because of Save Club. Both these companies are just awesome, guys. So check out both these links. I want you to hurry and join Save Club, though, because we're going to have a 7-day head start on the world. You want to sign up now during pre-launch. And then let's get you a couple people signed up so you can get all your money back right away. And you're in the profit zone within days or hours. Okay, it's not that hard to talk people into saving money. Spend $20 a month to save $100. Oh, yeah. I saved $720 my first week with Save Club on tires. And now I got to go buy 6 more tires for this other truck. And it's going to save me another couple hundred. So I'm going to have about $1,000 of savings just my first 30 days. Just as a Save Club member. Not even as an affiliate. That's $4,000. So I've saved $1,000. I've made $4,000. I've made $800 with my funnel system. And that $800 is going to multiply next month and get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And it's all just by clicking. I want you to set up and do exactly what I do. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks for your time. All right. Have a good weekend. I'm recording this on a Friday. Friday. That's right. I got my yeller on, and I'm ready to party on a Friday. All right. You need something, you get a hold of me. All right, kids? Cory at CoryDraper.com. All right. Take care of yourself, guys. We'll see you soon.